So for this example, it states, the song Before He Cheats on the album Some Hearts by singer Carrie Underwood is 3 minutes and 19 seconds long. How much storage does this song use on an audio CD? So when this song is recorded on a CD quality CD, how much storage or how much data is it going to use? So we know for an audio CD that the samples are 44,100 samples per second. We also know that there are 16 bits per sample of the bitrate transfer. Then we also know that there are 2 channels, you can think of it as in stereo, that it's going to be recorded on. And then the last multiple here is then the time. So for here, it's 3 minutes in 19 seconds. So we're going to transfer that into seconds. So 3 minutes, there's 60 seconds in a minute. 3 times 60, that's 180, plus 19 more seconds, that's 199 seconds. So from here, we can determine how much data would be used on a CD, audio quality CD. That would be 280,828,800 bits of data would be used, or storage would be used on a CD. Now, typically when we want to know how much a song, how much storage or how much usage or how much data that a song uses, we never give it in terms of bits. That's the smallest unit of measure. Most of the time we give it in megabytes, or if it's very large, if it's like an entire album, we'll say that it's in gigabytes. So we're going to transfer this into megabytes. So we know that there are 280,828,800 bits that the song Before He Cheats uses on a CD. So we'll transfer this into bytes, which is that next unit of measure. And we know that there's 8 bits in a byte. So if this is bits here and I divide it by 8 bits, that's going to tell me how many bytes. So this comes out to be 35,103,600 bytes. So if there are 35,103,600 bytes, I'll just go right here. We're going to transfer that into kilobytes. That would be the next unit of measure. So here we have 8 bits per byte. Here we have 1,024 bytes per kilobyte. I'm not going to use bits here. That's a kilobit. I want to go to the next measure up, which would be kilobytes. So we'll divide this by 1,024 bytes. And that's going to come out to be approximately 34,280.859 kilobytes. The next unit of measure would then be megabytes. So we'll take our 34,280.859 kilobytes. And we can see right here that there are 1,024 kilobytes in a megabyte. So we'll divide this by 1,024 kilobytes. And it comes out to be approximately 33.48 megabytes. So typically we would say something like the song Before He Cheats for CD quality music would be about 33.5 megabytes of usage. And there we go.